With binoculars and a high-powered spotlight, this crew looks like a SWAT team ready to strike.
But we'll go and we'll try and get as many as we can. If we can grab another one or two, we'll have a very successful evening.
Wildlife biologist Bryan Bedrosian gets to work as soon as it's dark. That's when his target is sleeping. Sage grouse sleep out in the open so they can see predators coming. But this also blows their cover.
It allows us to see them. And the way we see them is by a really powerful spotlight we bring out. And through binoculars, we can pick up the shine in the reflection of their eye.
Bedrosian can spot a group of sleeping grouse from 800 meters. To capture them,
oh yeah,
he deploys rock music and what looks like an oversized butterfly net.
We go up to them playing loud music so it distracts them, covers up our footsteps, disorients them a little bit to what's happening.
That's when they run up and net the birds. It's a common research technique for catching this chicken-sized bird, a species increasingly in the national spotlight. The U.S. Department of Interior announced in March that the greater sage grouse deserves more protection. That's due to an expanding human footprint carving up its sagebrush range across 11 western states. Sage grouse have lost an estimated 44% of their habitat to agriculture, urban development, roads, energy production, and other causes. Bedrosian studies sage grouse in Wyoming, home to more sagebrush than any other state.
Great. The first thing we do is we put a transmitter on the bird so we can relocate it throughout the course of the study, which is the whole point of being able to follow these birds, look at their movements, their behaviors, their nesting patterns, things like that.
Working for a science-based nonprofit, he's helping to get a better handle on this population.
By documenting how many birds move, it'll give us a really good indication of the overall population size.
It's one of many sage grouse projects underway across the West. For now, the Interior Department has postponed designating sage grouse as threatened or endangered, but this bird remains a candidate for future designation. And that could restrict future land uses, especially in Wyoming, where sagebrush, the bird's primary habitat, covers more than half the state. That's why many here are looking for ways to keep sage grouse from becoming endangered. For Assignment Earth, I'm Gary Stryker.